This is lesson 13. We need to create, now we've done the exterior openings, we've set the angle with respect to true north. So we're looking at the model in noontime sun, so the angle from the south is like that. We now have left to create openings in the interior walls. There are many ways to do that. I don't think it's worth bringing in interior elevations and aligning them. I think it'll be easier in this case to simply work from the floor plan. So we'll assume, let's first turn off the visibility of the AutoCAD section drawings. And in order to reveal the interior of the second floor, let's turn off the shadows which are interfering with this. So, how are we going to draw the openings for the doors, which are essentially all that's left? Well, that's easy to do if we look at the floor plan for the second floor. So the AutoCAD underlay for floor 2 is telling us we change our face style to X-ray. It's saying let's see where the doors are and the door swings. We're going to assume, make assumptions about a door height. We need an opening in the elevator. So basically what I'm going to do here is set a set of vertical guides for the left and right edges of the doors on my interior wall group for the second floor. So by leaving face style to X-ray, I can snap to the CAD drawing. To create a vertical guide, you have to select an edge on either side of that, drag in the direction, hold the inferred axis orientation, and then snap. Then you can work from the guide itself to set the second point. Should be about, okay, these interior doors are smaller than I thought we had 3-foot doors. I'll have to correct that somewhere down the road. It is, that's the axis we want to draw on. So these are 24 and 8, 32 inch. So we'll draw openings there. And we'll need openings for the closet. I'm just going to make one great big opening and put some sliding doors in or something like that. Let's assume 6'8" for height. You could set a guide or you could just draw to that height, but if you wanted to set the guide, looking in on the blue axis, 6 feet 8, you set the upper horizontal guide, and if I draw a rectangle to those intersections, I should be able to simply push that opening through. The limit of the offset was coincident with the inside face, so it created the opening. We need to draw 2 more rectangles. So I can type the dimensions explicitly. 2/8, 6 feet 8. Alright, that gives us that door. Move to an angle that's, roughly oblique to that system so that you can actually hit the inside face when you're pushing. A little bit tricky here. It's not good. Too many things to snap to. I'm going to pause here. Sometimes it's problematic to draw freehand type in dimensions, so the safest thing to do is just set your guides explicitly. I'm going to, from the bottom edge, go in the Z direction 6 feet 8 inches. And I'm going to draw with the line tool. I'm going to turn off the visibility of the AutoCAD drawing and make sure that we snap to intersections. Okay, that should do it. Guide, intersection, intersection, intersection. Three and 3/4 is coincident with the inside face, so that gives us that opening. Let's set a top guide. It's a little bit tricky when you model these. It starts to become heavily, densely populated. So intersection, 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 intersection. I just need to create the outline of the rough opening for that door. Push it to the outside where it is on face. And then we need an opening for the elevator. The elevator walls are a separate group. So let's close that group. Double click the elevator opening group. And let's see, we need to look at the AutoCAD file to see where the beginning and end of door openings are. So I'm going to set 2 guides edge to wait till that axis reveals itself. Hold the shift key, snap to that. You can move, once you've created one guide, you can use it as a reference point, and then let's go from bottom edge up in the up direction, 6/8. Use the line tool. endpoint outside active. I like intersection. Let's see if I turn off the cap on the logo. This should work. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing for the openings on the ground floor, and we're not going to record them in the video. So at the end of lesson 13, you will have finished all the interior openings as well.